2016 Mazda CX-5 radio trim replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2016 Mazda CX-5. I'm going to show you how to replace this trim piece. This one got dented. So to get this off, it just comes out. Here's my new one. And there's no screws or nothing. It's just held in by clips, these little white clips. Here's my part number for my new one. This is a Mazda genuine one. It's right here. It's only available on Mazda part dealer websites at the moment. Unfortunately, it's not sold on Amazon. But I'll update links periodically. But what you want to do is get a plastic pry bar interior trim tool right here. I'll link them below. These come in handy for doing interior work. And we're going to take this silver trim piece off first, these AC vents. What you want to do, I usually come right here in this corner, and I kind of work my way in right here and get this in between here and just kind of wiggle and push this out. It should kind of snap out after a little bit of effort. And then once you get it popped out enough, just kind of work your way this way. Be very careful, very patient. And then we're just going to kind of grab it and wiggle it and pull it forward towards yourself. Wiggling is your friend. Patience is your friend. Just kind of wiggle and pull this guy out. It'll come out. But be careful because the hazard light button is plugged in. Now you can unplug that if you want. There's a little center tap to unplug that. You just push it down and pull the connector outwards. But I just leave it like this for now. I'm just going to grab this and just kind of wiggle it and pull it forward. Don't rage rip it off. Just kind of be patient and work your way around. Just gently pull it out of here. And that's how you remove the radio trim panel. Now, when you put your new one on, you want to make sure it's lined up good. Make sure those tabs are lined up good. Make sure no clips from the old one are left behind. And when you go to put it on, you got to watch out because you got to make sure it's lined up properly, especially on the bottom. It likes to go into the wrong spot. And don't push on the silver trim because then you'll dent it. So you just kind of want to push it around the other sides. Once you have it in all the way and it's nice and flush, we just put this guy back in. Just kind of line it up and gently push him into place like that. And that's it, guys. So that's how you do it. So hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Any Mazda CX-5 guys, I could use you on the channel. So subscribe. And any additional information in the comments below is appreciated. Thanks for watching. That's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off Oxido.com promo code. Now, Oxido has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is they're really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code Guillermo Auto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all of the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type Guillermo Auto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.